today we're going to draw a funny chili dog.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You also need some paper, but we're using marker paper. It works best with our markers. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first start by drawing our hot dog's bun. We're gonna draw a, kind of looks like a smile. We're going to draw it right in the middle of our paper about that big. Nice. And then we're going to come down. We'll leave a little space and we're going to draw another one for the other side of the bun. And we're going to match that same curve. Now we're going to connect the top down to the bottom by drawing a sideways U shape. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Oh, I love the shape of your hot dog bun. Nice job. It's perfect. Now we're going to add the chili next. We're going to start here and we're going to draw a bumpy line. We got to add a lot of chili. The more chili on your chili dog, the better. And we're going to connect down. So it looks like a cloud.
Chili cloud.
A chili cloud, yeah. There you go. Now we're ready to add the hot dog. We're going to draw a curve that kind of matches this curve, but we're going to extend it out past. And we're going to do the same thing over here. Extend it out past on each side. Then we're going to draw a curve that comes around and connects in. It's a thick hot dog. I like it. Then we're going to come around and connect down here too. Oh, and then let's draw the other bun on the other side. So see this curve here? We're going to try to match that same curve right there. But you can only see part of it because it's overlapping behind the hot dog and also the chili. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. What should we add next to our chili dog?
Cheese.
Cheese, definitely. I'm going to add little rectangle shapes like this. But we want to make sure that we change the direction for each of the, what would you call these? Pieces of cheese.
Yes.
Shredded cheese. I'm going to draw it coming this way. It kind of looks like sprinkles. And you could also change the size of the rectangles too if you want. But I'm going to mix them up so they're going all different directions. Oh, we could also draw some of the cheese slices or pieces going behind the bun. See how they're sticking out? And then we could also do the same thing on the other side of our chili. These pieces are behind it. I'm going to add one more right there. Now what should we add to our chili dog?
A funny face.
Yeah, funny face. Let's start. I'm going to draw a mouth. I'm going to draw a crazy mouth. I'm going to draw it like this. And then I'm going to draw it coming down really big and then across. Then I'm going to add teeth at the top. I like drawing cartoon mouths like this. And teeth on the bottom. And then we could draw a tongue inside. And then also, to make it look 3D, we could draw the other side of the mouth and then color in that shape. Yeah, that looks awesome. Then let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle over here and a circle over here. Then let's draw a smaller circle in the top left of each eye, and then color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. We did it! We finished drawing our chili dog. It looks awesome, except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our chili dogs, and yours is my favorite, and now I'm also really hungry.
Me too.
You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring. We used our markers, but you can use whatever you have, like colored pencils or even crayons.
You could also draw yourself getting ready to eat it.
Oh yeah, that would complete your drawing.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a chili dog.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.